Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rename a file on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the either the browse or collections buttons down below to select a document, and click on the three dots icon in the right side corner or in the right side of the screen and tap on rename this file, which is the fifth option. Here you can find the name of the document, so you can easily delete it completely by tapping on this X icon next to it and just type in the new file name into this section. And if you want to save it, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, your file name or your file has been renamed. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.